Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to make flowers and chocolate bouquet. Very easy and simple, perfect for last minute gift, for birthday or for Valentine gift ideas. Okay, let's start the tutorial. You will need cardstock, color paper with size 21 centimeters x 21 centimeters. Now, fold the paper into cone shape, just like this. To secure, glue in the edge of paper with a glue gun. Your handmade bouquet is ready. You can insert chocolate and rose paper flower. Now, I will show you how to make these rose paper flowers to complete this beautiful bouquet. You will need 9 x 9 centimeters square paper. Pay attention on how I fold this paper. It's become 6 petal flowers, just like this. Curl the edge of petals to create realistic rose flowers look. Then we start to make flower rose bud. Now, arrange the last petals. After that, you make flower stalk with a green paper. You just need to roll the paper from the tip, just like this. Continue to make leaf from green square paper. leaf on the bottom of flowers. Your paper roses is done. Now you can complete your DIY chocolate bouquet with these paper flowers. And it is optional, you can also decorate this bouquet with ribbon paper. I will put link for paper ribbon tutorial in description below. Very easy handmade bouquet with chocolate and flowers. You can make this at home. Perfect for last minute gift for birthday or Valentine gift ideas. If this tutorial helped you, let me know in the comment. And I'll see you on my next tutorial.